Hello everybody. This week I'm starting lessons now on Tuesdays and Thursdays only, twice a week. So Tuesdays will be geared towards pre-K through first grade and still at 1 o'clock, and then Thursdays will be geared towards second through fourth grade, still at 1. However, any age can really do both days. There just might be parts, like if you're a preschool kid, that you won't be able to do on projects on Thursdays, but you probably do most of it, so it's really not a big deal. But I just wanted to keep you posted on that. So Tuesdays and Thursdays at 1 o'clock. Now today's project we're going to be doing, this is geared towards the pre-K through first grade, but like I said, any level can really do this. We're going to be doing these really cool angelfish, and they're created with a foil print technique. Now, I learned this technique from another art teacher known as 2ArtChambers on Instagram. She's been teaching a long time, and she has got great techniques. So this technique can be applied to. So the supplies you're going to need, if you didn't see my heads up on those, is tin foil, a spray bottle of water, some washable markers like the Crayolas, they've got to be washable, a white piece of paper, and a black permanent marker. You could also use a black crayon. That would work as well too, black oil pastel. Now today is really about the process of another type of printmaking, which is foil printing. Now printmaking is when you're taking one image and you're able to repeat it over and over again. Now there's different types of printmaking. With foil prints, you're making a monoprint, which means you're only printing one time. You have to keep doing the process in order to get more prints. But essentially you're transferring that image to another surface. And with this, the image is really just color. So let's get started. So I'm going to start with my white paper, and I'm going to look for something round to create the body of my angelfish. I'm going to take my black marker and trace that round object so I get a circle for the main body of my angelfish. I'm using my black marker right now. You could use a black crayon like I said before, or you could use a pencil so then you can erase any mistakes you might have made. Now I'm going to start with a circle for the top part of my fish mouth and then another circle underneath it. Now I'm going to draw an oval for the eye. You can draw a circle too. However you want to draw the eye is fine. I'm going to do 2 ovals, and I'm even going to add some eyelashes to mine by just making some little curved lines on the top of my fish eye. Now I'm going to create a tall triangle for on top of the fish body for one of the angelfish fins. Then I'm going to do another one. It kind of curves in at the bottom. But notice how they're really large fins. Now I'm doing the tail, so a diagonal line the top and the bottom, and then a line that kind of curves down. Now I'm drawing some lines to that tail. And then I'm going to draw those. These are more fins that the angelfish have. Sometimes they're a lot longer than that as well. They're right in front of the bottom fin. And then I'm going to draw jumping lines to represent gills, which is what fish breathe through. So some gills, just a jumping line. Now I'm going to grab a sheet of tinfoil that's as large, if not larger, than your white paper. And I'm going to begin to color all over the foil with the washable markers. Now, I like to just kind of throw color all over the place. Like I'll start with one color, then I'll get another, I'll kind of put it all over the place. So see, I take the purple and I kind of just color all over, but leaving spaces in between, because this creates like a tie-dye look. I'm also using like the side of my marker. I'm not using the tip, because if you just color with the tip, it's skinny. See the side right there? So use the side to give yourself some thick colored lines. And now I'm just going to continue to color the whole entire foil with color. And once I'm done coloring the whole foil, I'm now going to take a spray bottle of water and squirt water all over the whole foil sheet, over the colored area, so they're nice and wet. Now I'm taking my paper and I'm putting it face down, my drawing that I already did, and I'm going to rub all over the back with my hand. So make sure that drawing is face down, because you want the color on the fish. Now I'm going to flip it and then rub it all over again. And then once I've rubbed all nice and hard, I'm going to lift the foil to reveal the print. Look at how beautiful that is.
So it creates like a tie-dye image. Now, you can keep it like this. Maybe when it dries, you want to cut out the fish. It's completely up to you. But I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and we'll see you on Thursday, everybody.